Alright, y'all, we back. We most definitely back. We on Flower Street, y'all. We on Flower Street. Yeah, y'all. I'm gonna touch on a little bit of everything, but what I want to touch on is Chester got that $2.5 million from Case Cassidy, Fetterman, and Gay, which we just hit these alleyways up. Nah, man, I came through here about a week ago, and this same shit here. And like I said, I ain't bashing. I'm just pointing out shit. You know what I'm saying? Especially with them little crumbs. And then you already know down there. You already know them crumbs that Chester just got. That was crumbs. 2.5 million. That's crumbs. That's crumbs on the plate. You heard? Straight crumbs on the plate. And that's a fact. Compared to what Philadelphia got, they got billions. Dang. That's all the way over town. You can see that building over town. That's the federal building right there. All the way over town. Right there. That building. That's in town, y'all. It's on 3rd Street, 3rd and Flower where we at. I told you we got the bond the guy. But like I said, y'all, that's crumbs. That's nothing compared to what Philadelphia got. And I'm going to speak on Chester. I just dropped a little something on Philadelphia, the Cheryl Parker administration. Her layout was awesome. And like I said, much respect to Cheryl Parker. But you got to denounce and come out of that foolishness, Cheryl Parker, and come to back the Bible. You see what I'm saying? I know it was a thing in college, you know what I'm saying, and after college, but it's time to put those things to rest and come back to Bible, Queen. Come back to Bible, Queen. Straight up. And like I said, I ain't up here to bash my peoples, man. I'm just up here to wake my peoples up because we've been following so much of foolishness for a long ass time, and no one came up on the platform to say, get that shit back. We don't need it. You know what I'm saying? We can still engage into business, but when it comes to foolishness, we put that shit to the side. Because we put the Most High first. And there's no one that can compete against the Most High. You see what I'm saying? If it wasn't for the Most High giving you your, where you at now. You know what I'm saying? The Most High put you in that position to be where you at now. There was no other God that did that for you. It was the Most High that did that for you. He does the work for us. So we got to acknowledge it and give him his respect, ladies and gentlemen. And that's all I'm saying. Not the foolishness, the idol worshiping and, you know, things of that nature that we all was taught. Goes back to everything that was taught to us was a lie. It was a lie, goddammit. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, I listened to Cheryl Parker layout. I said, damn. The question was asked, do Cheryl Parker got a man, goddammit? But she got to come back to Bible, though. She got to come back to truth. You see? And denounce all that foolishness. You see? Give it all back. And stand on truth, that's all. That's all I'm saying. I ain't coming up here bashing my peoples. I'm just coming up here to wake you up. The truth. And tell you to give all that shit back, because it didn't benefit us. You see what I'm saying? It didn't benefit us. Got us out of here. Got us out here out of control. And then y'all wonder, what's going on with the African American race? Why are they so out of control? You know what I'm saying? We all got to heal in the community. Every last single one of us got to heal in the community and regroup, refocus. That's all I'm saying. I ain't coming up here telling you, you know what I'm saying, what to do. I'm telling you to come up here to denounce all that foolishness and give it back and put the Most High first. You see, that's all I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen. I ain't saying too much. It might, the way I deliver the message, you see what I'm saying? The way I might deliver the message might hurt your feelings, but God damn it. What about the message they deliver in rap music? What about the message they deliver in radio music? When we riding our kids to school and we tapping to turn on the radio and Nicki Minaj come on, or one of them foolish rappers come on. You see? What about that message? My message can't be no more vulgar than theirs. You see? But I'm coming with truth. They coming with lies and idol worshiping and blaspheming. And y'all gravitate to that. You see? But when I come up here and I spill some truth to enlighten the peoples, oh, hell no, oh man, listen to how he dogging his peoples out. Nah. I'm speaking my shit. As you would say, talking my shit. You see what I'm saying? It's to wake you up, the message. It's to wake you up. Fuck the deliver. Y'all worrying about how I deliver the message. Shit, the rappers deliver their message. Talking about killing and robbing and, you know what I mean? Come on now. What the pimp message talking about towards the prostitutes? What's his message? To have our sisters go out here and turn the left eye to a trick. See? So now don't worry about my message, how I deliver. I'ma deliver it though. I'ma deliver that truth to wake you up. Now let's get back on to Chester before I forget. I just wanted to give a hella shout out to Cheryl Parker. Hella shout out to Cheryl Parker. And I most definitely give her more and more shout outs when she denounced all that foolishness. Because her budget plan was awesome. Shout out. Shout it out. I shout it out when I see foolishness. And I shout it out when I see truth and righteousness. You see what I'm saying? Because her budget plan was righteousness, which got a whole lot to do with the Most High. Righteousness. Big word, ladies and gentlemen. Big word. But Chester, with the 2.5 million, it's crumbs. God damn it, it's crumbs. That's for 291 for the project to keep all this down here looking tight. You know what I mean? All this that's being developed down here. And I already told y'all, how could you have a $55 million sports complex? Let's get up here and give all praises to the Most High on the podium real quick before I finish talking my shit about the Chester budget plan. Chester got a budget plan for 291. We walk through the city. Y'all can do the stroll on my videos. And we hit these alleyways and byways. Ain't no money in there for that. They really clean Chester up like Cheryl Parker was talking. She doing 2 days, damn, tied up like a motherfucker. tied up like a motherfucker. But I put all my trust in the Most High. You see, when they said Jesus walked on water, right? Only person walked on water was the sun. The shadows of the sun, as you can see right here, see? When they say walked on water, they was talking about the sun of the Most High. See that? Grand rising, beloved. Grand rising, we in line with the sun this morning. Give all praises to the Most High. Give all praises to the Most High. Without the Most High, the Creator, none of this would be created. What a beautiful creation. In the name of the Most High, amen, amen, amen. Yeah, the tide is up. All praises to the Most High. Ain't no man walk on water. Prove it to me. Prove it to me. The powers of the Most High, elements, the only thing that walked on water. Got the bridge up here, Commodore Barry Bridge. Now let me ask Chester residents, because I'm all over the place with it. Do any of y'all know who Commodore Barry was? Chester residents? You learn something new every day when you're paying attention. And I got this off the news this week, because I didn't even know Commodore Barry Bridge was a man. How many of y'all knew that? While we down here, let me pull him up for y'all. Think he was an Italian. No, he was actually Irish. Commodore Barry was an Irish, y'all. And that's a fact. Let me prove it to y'all real quick. Commodore Barry, this is the bridge, was an Irish. Commodore Barry was Irish.
According to Wikipedia, the Commodore Barry Bridge is a cantilever bridge that spans the Delaware River from Chester, Pennsylvania to Bridgeport, New Jersey.
Who was Commodore Barry?
According to Wikipedia, John Barry was an Irish-born American naval officer who served in the Continental Navy during the American Revolutionary War and in the United States Navy during the Quasi-War.
And there he is there, y'all. John Barry, Commodore Barry. His name is John Barry. John Commodore Barry. Barry was given the command of the brig Lexington, on which he was credited with the first capture of the American Revolution. The Bishop slew Edward off the Capes of Virginia on April 7, 1776. Barry's most successful command was on board the 32-gun Alliance on 1780. Y'all, that's Commodore Barry, y'all. I was fucked up when I heard that. I said, what? He was born March 25th, 1745, and he died September the 13th, 1803. We talking about John Commodore Barry, y'all. Commodore Barry Bridge right here, y'all. That's where we at. But I told y'all, we got the facts, y'all. We be having facts, so I prove them to y'all. So y'all say, oh, he ain't just rhetoric. But how many people knew that Commodore Barry Bridge was named after a man? John Commodore Barry, Revolutionary Warrior. You see? See, peoples? We be teaching over here. We talk our shit and we teach. We found out who John Commodore Barry Bridge is. Well, who they named the bridge after, which was an Irish. John Commodore Barry was Irish, y'all. So he should be the one on St. Patrick's Day that y'all worshiping, because y'all got the bridge here in Chester, right? Commodore Barry, which was an Irish revolutionary. Yeah, we educating today on St. Patrick's Day. Know what I'm saying? And that's a fact. Y'all can fact check me. John Barry. Say John Barry, Commodore Barry, first revolutionary Irish warrior. Captured American Revolution. Deep shit, y'all. I know. Real deep. I forgot all about that, but what reminded me is when we got down here and I seen the bridge. I said, oh shit, that's right. Commodore Barry was a revolutionary, an Irish revolutionary. And that's a 100% fact. You know what I mean? So they should have shut the bridge down since it's St. Patrick's Day is an Irish holiday and let the peoples walk across the bridge and walk back on St. Patrick's Day. Celebrating who? John Barry. John Commodore Barry, which was an Irish revolutionary. All right? Now let's get back on the crumbs they just gave Chester. 2.5 million. That's crumbs, y'all. That's crumbs, y'all. And that's not the Chester's to 291. 291 is ran by the state. So, see? I know my shit, y'all. 291 is a state highway, y'all. Somebody was getting it in last night. Got the Taylor's Port. Not that, this and the third. Trash cans down here. Trash cans down here. That's a slap in the people's face. But like I said, y'all, 291 is ran by the state. So the state got 2.5 million, even though it's in Chester. Because if Chester would have got a grant, you know what I mean, towards the city, it would have said, you know, this goes towards the city on, you know, making sure the trash get picked up. Cheryl Parker doing it twice a day. Trash pickup a week. Chester used to have that, whereas though they used to pick the trash up twice a week. Know what I mean? The streets was clean. Highway department was on their shit. But the 2.5 million is for the state highway. It's to connect the waterfront to 291, which they already did. Y'all can see. Y'all got John Commodore Barry up here. You know what I mean? They built the soccer stadium. You know what I mean? And then they just built the $55 million sports complex over here, which it look like is being loaded into. That's 55 million. 2.5 million they just gave up. How the fuck is Chester broke? How the fuck is Chester in bankruptcy, y'all? And all this money is being accumulated in the faces of the peoples, y'all. Explain it, y'all. Explain this shit, y'all. And I ain't coming up here to bash the peoples. I'm coming up here to wake y'all up to truth. I told y'all we spell truth. This sports complex was $55 million. You hear me? And then they just got another 2.5 million for 291. Chester is not in the plans, y'all. The city. We go through the alleyways and byways. We see what's going on. You see? We see what's going on, y'all. Ain't no work being done because the money is not there. You see what I'm saying? The money is not there. And that's a fact. But look down here. Look what you see when you come down here. They say, hold on, what that nigga doing down here? Recording. Surprise, 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 motherfuckers. You see? Understand what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen? $55 million sports complex in Chester. And Chester broke. They got the tide up too. Remember the tide was down when we came through before. It was down. Now, I told y'all it's mud, quicksand at the bottom of that shit when the tide ain't up. We already seen that. I'm gonna find out what's going on, what type of events they got going on. Let's see, y'all. Let's tap into it. Let's tap into it, y'all. See what they got going on today. It's a competition. Competition today, y'all. Custom event, y'all. Medical shit there. I got my man doing shirts over here. All right. We walked down there already. That's the map. This restaurant's located. Got the mini soccer field there. Got the bathrooms here. Trash incinerator over there. This that field, y'all, the Westfish Sports Complex that they built for $55 million. $55 million for that. Morning. Good morning, how you doing?
Good, how's things?
All right. What are your Sunday mornings looking like in your neighborhood? Nah, man. Good Subaru Park. Got the unit in here. Logo. The Union logo there. You got the landfill soccer big ball here. $2.5 million, and we're gonna get back on that. That Chester just got $2.5 million. $2.5 million. They just built the $55 million sports complex. Right. Have a good one, all right? Good morning. About to end this video, y'all. I'm gonna come back with another one. Cause we on like, let me see, 29. That's like 29 bars or something like that. Yeah, 29, so I'm gonna end it this morning. Good morning, how y'all doing? All right. All right, y'all, we gonna end it right here.